Good morning, children. Today we're going to look at throwing a ball at a target. Okay, I've got a tennis ball here to try and throw a ball into a target. If you haven't got a tennis ball, use a pair of socks. Very, very simple. My target here is just a normal bucket. So I'm going to try and aim to get the pair of socks into the bucket. If you haven't got a bucket, you can use a cardboard box, a saucepan. You can make the area smaller or bigger, depending on how hard you want it to be. So, I'm going to use the pair of socks first. So I'm going to step back, use my socks. All I'm going to do is throw this pair of socks and try and get it in the bucket. Every time you get in the bucket, you get 1 point. So 2 or 3 steps back from the target, throw into the target each time. Good. Do that 10 times, 10 points. Okay, a point for every time you get it in. Then I'm going to challenge myself to make it harder. Okay, instead of me going all the way back, I'm going to use my weaker hand. Okay, to try and get it in the bucket. So I'm using my weaker hand. Nice and steady, nice easy throw. Like I said, if you haven't got a bucket, use a cardboard box. Now, this is my challenge. Can I challenge myself? I'm going to move really far back this time, and you've got to try and aim and get it in your bucket. Yes, got it in. Let's see if I can get it in again. 2 out of 2. Three out of 3. If you do miss it, doesn't matter. So what you could do is have a piece of paper, different areas, different sizes where you're throwing the thing, make a little score, cross curriculum to maths, do a tally chart, see how many times you can get it in. This is a real hard one now, right the way back. Now this might not go in. Missed it. Then again you can run and get it, see how quickly you can do it. Run back. Missed again, oh dear. Mr. Capper's not doing very well with this one. Must get one in. Missed it again, oh dear. So you can see how hard it is now. I've made it really hard for myself. Gone really back, really far. Oh, missed again. So, there you get the idea. Okay, I've challenged myself, gone really far back to try and get it in. That's the pair of socks. The ball will be harder because it could bounce out. So, get it nice and close. And I'm going to throw it. Now, if it bounces and comes out, that's no point. You've got to try and get it in the bucket like that and hold. Nice and gentle. You've got to be nice and gentle. Good. To make that harder, you can go back. Also, if you watched my ball skills video previously, bouncing the ball down, you can look to try and bounce the ball down into the bucket, which is very hard. So we're going to try and bounce and try and get the ball in the bucket that way. 2 points. So again, set yourself a challenge, see how many you can do. 3 points. Make it harder, go all the way back. Oh, missed it. Close. Let's get the ball. Oh dear. Ready, bounce, and see if we can get it in. Yes. So, that is your ball or sock challenge, trying to hit a target. This is your target. Okay? If you've got a partner, a parent at home, or another sibling, they can hold it. Okay? If you just watch this, my wife is going to throw the ball and see if she can get it in. I can then move the bucket to try and get it, see if she can get it in. So move the bucket into socks, in they go. Have one more go, Roxanne. She's dropped the ball, here we go. Try and get it in, okay? So that is the target challenge. You can either try and throw the ball into the target, bounce into the target, or with a partner, you hold the target and they can throw. Many thanks.